Because if it's a garlic flavor, then I will not buy it anymore because it will not be good for me.
Right.
And most of the time, I do cook. I cook for myself, so I'm safe. Last Christmas,
Walk
during
through this
my the Christmas
world.
party, during the Christmas
Yeah.
party, um, each teacher was required to cook. So we have so many food, and they are
So you tell
preparing
them for,
something for me that doesn't have garlic.
yeah. So you tell them,
So they
please
have
cook,
one
but
cup.
don't put garlic.
They have one
Cook
cup
the food and
prepared for
drink, but
me
don't
without
put garlic.
garlic, and they are separating
Yeah.
it in. And they said, "Ma'am, this is for you only."
No garlic.
And I am not allowed to get on their uh, table. I'm not allowed to get on their table. They just say, "This is for you only."
Yeah,
So it means
correct.
I am safe.
So you have to take your food and sit one side and eat it.
Yeah, I can eat with them, but of course I have different set of.
Do, 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 do.
Oh no, my nose. My nose is running again. Can you touch it?
Oh my God, please don't make it run. It'll come here to Philippines. It'll come here to Manila, Caloocan. Because your nose used to come running to Canada. It used to come running to Japan. It came running to Thailand. Where all it came visiting. Your nose has visited countries that you have not visited.
Yeah. Oh my God. Son, your video here is turning around. Hmm, what happened now? I have to refresh my computers again. Keep on twirling
Now
around.
that I found you, new horizons I see. Come take my hand and walk through this
Hmm.
world with me.
Umiikot.
Yeah, this is a nice
My computers are,
spinning.
yeah, spinning around.
Walk through this world with me. Go where I go. Share all my dreams with me. I need you so. In life we search and some of us find. I've looked for you, my love, a long, long time. And now that I've found you, new horizons I see.
Not responding.
Come take my hand and walk through this world with me. Walk through this world with me. Go where I go. Share all my dreams with me. I've searched for you so. And now that I've found you, new horizons I see. Come
I have to
take
refresh
my
it.
hand and walk through this world with me. Come take my hand and walk through this world with